and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the October, I don't know if it was a Luxe box or if it was Premium, but it was the Boxycharm and Tarte Takeover box that they did in October, so everything in this box is themed Tarte brand, so that is kinda cool. So, Tarte is celebrating 20 plus years of female-founded cruelty-free formulas infused with good-for-you ingredients and kindness, which is pretty cool. So, in no particular order, we have the, where is it? Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. This is $24 and is still, as of yet, my favorite mascara of all time. So I'm keeping this even though I have multiples of it, keeping it as a backup. So, this best-selling mascara is like a push-up bra for your lashes. It volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. Plus, the vitamin-rich formula conditions with each coat, all while creating darker, more defined lashes. So, pretty thrilled to have another one of those. We have the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, and this is $39. It's pretty pale, but I'll hold it up close so you can see. So, wake up to the cooling sensation of this vegan daily gel moisturizer. Powered by electrolytes, it deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping soften and plump the skin's appearance. Keep skin moisturized for 24 hours with this lightweight, non-greasy, water-based gel formula. If it keeps it hydrated for 24 hours, wouldn't you only need to moisturize once a day instead of twice, which I highly doubt is what they're intending upon here, but what could I know, right? So, anyway. So there's that. We have, where is this? The Breezy Cream Blush in Peach Sunset. This is $24 as well. That's a pretty typical Tarte price point. So, get that just pinched color in your cheeks with this weightless waterproof cream blush. Just tap the silky formula on with your fingertips for a natural color that doesn't fade. Helps you achieve a fresh and youthful appearance by minimizing the look of pores and fine lines while smoothing and hydrating the skin with slip grip technology powered by marine plants, coconut, and sodium hyaluronate. I hope they mean coconut oil. Let's see. Oh, that is very teeny tiny writing, and with it white on such pale color, I'm like, oh, it's murdering my eyes. I'm trying my best to quickly just scan through it, but like, bro, I'm so nervous, and I need to know before I try it if it's one of the kinds I can't use. Okay, coconut oil. As long as that's the only one in it, I should be okay. I'll double check on the website, but okay, I think I should be alright. Because I was like, if it's any of the other kinds of coconut stuff, I'll just resell. Obviously, I can't do that if I use it, so I need to know before. Oh, that is kind of dark, but still, worth a shot to at least play with. Might be a good summery color. If it's too dark, I can always kind of try to use it as contour and kind of just buff it out. We've seen me pull that off before too, so why not? Why not? So we've got that. This I'm obviously excited for. We have the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm in Rose, which I think is one of the colors I didn't have already. I have several of these in different colors, but I want to say I don't have this one yet. So, yay for being one step closer to having a full set. This retails for $21. Get that cushiony pout you've always dreamt of with this all-in-one vegan balm, gloss, color, and treatment. Features 10 plus antioxidant-rich fruits to smooth and nourish, and cushion comfort complex to instantly plump and... I'm seeing something in the next line. Instantly plump and smooth the appearance of pesky lip lines. This mirror shine formula is always comfortable, never sticky, and smells like coconut. Damn it. I have several of these, but I haven't actually tried one yet, so I'm like, uh-oh, please don't actually have coconut. Please don't ruin my day. Let's see. Again, I'm quickly scanning through. But sometimes, even if it's not listed and it's just in the scent, sometimes that screws with me, sometimes it doesn't, so I'm just trying to err on the side of caution as best I can. I'm not seeing it mention it, so if anything, it should just be in the scent. So there's about a 50-50 shot of maybe, maybe not, and at least this is a color where if it doesn't work for me, I'll just give it to my mom, but at least then I'll know with the others, is it worth me keeping or should I just, like, offload them? But anyway. Then we have this guy right here, which is the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. And this is $30 and is a Boxy exclusive. Create looks that go from sunrise to sunset with this versatile 9-pan palette of warm matte and shimmer finishes. Infused with Amazonian clay, these shades mix and match to complement your makeup mood. Tarte has a lot of palettes with very, very similar neutral colors, I've noticed. And I'm like, can't we have something more exciting? But anyway, so the color names are Adore, Sassy, Element, Brilliant, Enchanting, Icon, Vivid, Delight, and Charming. So while on one hand, nothing terribly exciting going on here, it's classic, it's usable, so we'll see. If I just don't fucks with it, I can always give it to Kimmy, so those are like her colors straight up, so I can always pass it on to her. Ah, this is a dupe right here. Last thing in here is the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener, and it's 25 bucks. I have reviewed this already because I have another one of this, so this I'll see what it's going for and see if I can, like, resell it, but anyway. Infused with mineral pigments and clay for all-day wear, the rich black liquid liner and creamy matte universal neutral gel liner in this 2-in-1 product combine to create bigger, brighter, more defined eyes. The microfelt tip liquid liner hugs the curves of the lash line, applying pigment smoothly without skipping, while the creamy gel eyeliner instantly brightens eyes to fake a full night's sleep. Well, for me, I didn't have good luck with, like, the gel half of it with my other one that I have used, but I like the liquid liner half of it. But it is literally just a very fine liquid liner. I don't need a dupe of that. Like, if I should really run out and don't have anything else that can accomplish the same thing, I can always go buy another one if I really feel that strongly about it. But I have a feeling that ain't never gonna happen, so. Anyway. And that is it for that box, so we are one step closer to catching up on all the Boxycharm stuff. There's gonna be an interesting period of overlap where the Ipsy/Boxycharm ones are getting posted at the same time as the old Boxycharm ones as I'm still catching up, but anyway, hopefully you guys don't mind too much. But anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.